My name's Chris Nudo, and I'm an attorney that serves the Chicago metro area in the areas of estate planning, wills and trusts, probate, estate administration, real estate, and corporate transactions. Today, we're going to be talking about how is my property transferred if I die intestate. So, first, definition. What is intestate? Well, intestate means that you died without a will or a trust. By the way, you can still die intestate if you don't have a will, but you have a trust. That's a bit of a tricky question, but that we're really not going to get into right now. But suffice it to say that if you die without a will, you're dying with an intestate estate. Now, what happens to your assets if that happens? Well, not a clear-cut answer, but let's consider the fact that you did no planning. You don't have a trust. You did not assign any beneficiaries to any of your accounts. So basically, there's a big question mark as to where does your stuff go when you die. Fortunately, the Illinois Probate Act has an area that talks about intestate succession and division. This is where the Illinois law has set forth a set of rules that permit or that direct your assets in the event that you die intestate. I'm just going to read off a couple of those rules. So if you're married and you do not have children, then your estate goes to your spouse. If you're married and you have children, half of your estate goes to your spouse and the other half go to your children. If you do not have a spouse, but you have children, then your estate goes all to your children. What if you don't have a spouse or children? Then your estate goes to your surviving parents. But you say you don't have surviving parents. So you don't have a spouse, you don't have children, you don't have surviving parents. So then your estate goes to your siblings, your brothers and sisters. But you say, oh boy, I don't have any brothers and sisters. Well, do you have any nieces and nephews? Because that would be the next in line. And the statute goes on and so forth in that particular kind of pattern. So if you die intestate, these would be the rules of distribution and the Illinois Probate Act would apply. Now, your particular situation may be unique because everybody is unique and none of us are exactly the same. So you have questions? Hey, give us a call, send us a text. We would be happy to look at your particular situation, assess it, and help you decide what is the best for your family and your estate.